Want to tweak your graphics and video settings in CS2 on your computer? Cool! In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it. Let's dive in. First, fire up CS2 on your computer. Next, click on the gear icon from the upper left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Now switch to the video tab. From here, you will be able to change stuff like main menu background scenery, your brightness or gamma. You can also change the aspect ratio, resolution, display mode, and refresh rate. Now, click on Advanced Video. From here, you will be able to boost players' contrast for better visibility in low contrast situations. You can also enable or disable vertical sync. Not to mention, you have got various graphics options like global shadow quality, model or texture detail, shader detail, etc. that you can tweak. So guys, that's how to change the video and graphic settings in CS2. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Oh, and subscribing would mean the world to me. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.